Fresh. These breads are fresh. Stale. The bread had gone stale. Unripe. The bananas are unripe. You must not eat it. Ripe. The bananas are ripe, so we can eat them now. Rotten. These bananas are rotten. Chewy. Bubble gum is chewy. Spicy. Try not to eat too much spicy food. Fried eggs. Boiled eggs. Greasy or oily. These French fries are very greasy. Sour. Lemons have a sour taste. Mashed. We had some mashed potatoes with our meat. Salty. I added too much salt to the soup, and now it is too salty. Sweet. This candy is too sweet. Bitter. Black coffee without sugar is often bitter. Subscribe our channel for more.